We're going to be moving fish today. Fish everywhere. We got one tank to move to that tank. We got fish to move from there to over here, out of the intake to the fishing tanks. We got all kinds of things to do. Stick with us. It's going to be fun.
All right, so you know you have your favorite host here. Sorry, Dad.
I'll grab the rim of the net and go.
Let me do this. I ain't got the air on the neck. These chicken breasts won't help. Are you done yet?
Okay, guys, now first thing we're going to do is 3,000-gallon tank lights on real quick. And Josh just happened to show up here real quick. He's got a few minutes. He jumped up there to do it for us because Skylar was going to do it for us. So let's get this done. Okay, through the magic of camera work here, this whole 3,000 is now lit up. Josh is coming down. Come on, buddy. We got other things to do. Thank you very much. All right, let's get out of here. Now we're out here to do these things. Next on the list.
My first time's a fluke, second time's not a coincidence. All right, look at this guy. This is a gold bass.
Nice. All right. Now explain, that is the same water. Once he was done acclimating or quarantining, we went ahead and changed that water out with this water. So it was basically a acclimation into our water. So we can just take him out of that water and put him into here. Now the problem is that's the bass we want right in there. There he goes.
Technically, we didn't even talk about it yet. This is our blue azul, and we are having problems. He is not getting the amount of food he should in here. He's staying shy and quiet and away from the commotion. So we're going to try and take him out of here and put him in a tank alone and get him eating the way he should, and then bring him back in once the time is right.
Now Josh is running to get a stool, but we got things ready for this weekend. We got the Coronas. King of DIY is coming here, and that's his beer that I heard, so I'm trying to surprise him with that. If he drinks it at all, it'll be here. If he don't, then we got beer. Reaper likes it. I don't drink beer, so. But, all right, so Josh is back, and he got himself a stool. Now we're going to try, but he's hiding now. He knows what's up. Oh, and guys, this was my bad. I thought this was a gold kelberry. I saw that flash of gold on him. But now once we got him into this tank where we can see him on the side, he's just a regular peacock bass. So don't hound me. Don't get on me. You know, my vision is very bad. You know, I can see a Temensis. That's easy. They got the yellow dots. You know, stuff like that. But, you know, from above in a dark tub is hard for me because it's all, you know, blurry and stuff.
We're not catching him.
All right, go ahead and just leave the net in there. And we'll come back by another time and try and get him out. Let's move on to the next move. Okay, now we're grabbing another little monster. Whoa! Tiger shovel nose, all right. I'm gonna put him over here. Right into the spare fish. So that somebody comes up and one of the public aquariums or something, this is where we get them from. All the spare fish come from there.
That's a blowout for us. I don't think he's going anywhere. That's the replacement of the big shovel nose that just died.
Ah, okay. He's a hybrid?
No, he's a tiger shovel nose.
I thought the one that the big guy just died was the tank boss that was the hybrid.
That was the reticulatum shovel nose, 39 inches long. That's the one we got from Russ, like.
Okay, so the tank boss is still in there then. It wasn't the tank boss that died. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. All right.
Throwing this out.
We went ahead and put this in here and hook this tank back onto the system. And so now it'll get clear and Look at the baby Mabu puffers. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Look how big he's getting. There's two of them there. They're getting big. And then there's another big one in the back there. They're about, what do you say, the biggest one's 5 inches?
Just about.
The rest are 4? Yeah, they came in at like 2.5 and 3 inches. All right, what are you doing with the tinfoil barbs?
They're not tinfoil barbs, but they are a type of barb, and they're
really?
going in the Bellagio.
Did you just catch 2 of them at once?
Yep.
Oh, what kind of barbs are they?
I don't know off the top of my head, but I know they're a barb. But you can see that's the barb I just put in here, right here. I originally thought it was a Impala barb, but the fin structure and the striping is a little bit different. So he's definitely closely related. And then you can see there's a normal tinfoil barb, so you can see the difference.
There's a difference, yeah.
But this is our whole tank of barbs, and as you see, I put even the small denizen barbs in there. And they're also known as what are they? I'm drawing a blank.
These are the ones with the 2 dots on their tails, right?
Yeah.
That we had into the big pool. There was like 5 of them. They ended up disappearing.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Wow.
Those are rosaline sharks.
Roselines, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that was a very nice catch, Josh, if I must say so myself. That impressed me. Where's that jellycat at?
He's in there.
Is he?
Behind the sponge.
There he is. And one more gulper to get rid of, or is he already gone?
Nope. He's still to get rid of both of these guys are. But
Really?
the
You're
problem,
keeping the jelly? We don't have a jellyfish here, or a jellycat here.
he can stay, he can go. I don't really care.
And then I cleaned out the top of the tank today and put all this wood back there, and then put your massivore and carnivore pellets back there for feeding these guys. And we got this guy to eat. Now we got to get him off of live. We don't like our fish on live, but he didn't eat for so long. What was he here? 3 weeks and didn't eat?
Something like that.
That we had to offer him some live, and I don't condone it, but he did eat it. So now we're going to have to take, fish and I don't know how to say it. We're going to have to take like a pieces of earthworm and tie it to a fishing string and make it look like it's alive and let him go after it. What you got there?
A little Chinese algae eater.
Oh, nice. He disappeared. He's gone. All right, so let me see.
Feed him. So let's get a nice, cool reel of Mr. Brutus eating. And he just made a quick, easy snack out of a 6-inch African cichlid.
Wow.
Bah!
Okay, guys, we took a break from moving fish real quick, just to do this real quick. We've got a bunch of food up top there, and nobody wants food left out on top of their tanks. You guys all know the reasoning. So we're cleaning that up, or Skylar is. She's such a great help around here. Thank you, Skylar. And then Reaper shows up. Hey, Reap, how you doing, buddy? And what we're doing right now, we're taking a break from moving the fish. We're filling up all these tanks and getting them up to the water lines, because this I don't like. But every time we acclimate a new fish in, it brings the water down. So I'm forever filling these tanks up. And then we're doing it to this one and this one here, and then the bottom one right there. And that'll be all the tanks, so it'll look nice for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're getting ready for the king of DIY. He's coming in, and we're going to have us some fun. He's going to do the Medina Talk tomorrow. If you guys are around close by in Ohio, you want to go to the Medina show, the king of DIY will be there. Ohio Fish Rescue will be there. Reaper will be there. Skylar will be there. We're going to have a good time, I meant to say. We're going to have a fun. You knew what I meant. So let me get back to moving the fish. I'll go ahead and close this off so you don't have to watch that, and then we'll be back with moving the fish. Okay, so now we're going to move these fish. We've been trying to get these out here because they're getting out-competed for food. So we're going to put them in a tank by themselves, the Mabu puffers. They're getting so big and fat, though. But we want them to grow at their optimal. We don't want them to keep being out-competed for food. So they get this whole 90-gallon on top here. There you go, buddy. Look at you go. There you go. You are a little fat guy, ain't you? I love that. I love seeing them over there. They're growing and they're doing good. When I see one of my fish being skinny, I feel like a bad fish dad. Okay. Now this is the smallest one. There you go, buddy. And he's still kind of chunky. Hi. Look at that face. Go back over here and get one more. Oh, maybe he's the smallest.
No.
He's bigger than the last one?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the 3 pumpers, and this will be their home for a while. Now we can power feed these guys and put extra food in there and feed them, a few times a day. There you go, buddy. And there's all 3 pumpers. Aren't they just the cutest little things? Now we'll start throwing all of our spare snails and everything in here. They're going to have a good time. You got all kinds of room here. And no fish to bother you. No fish to take from you. Nothing. I love seeing my fish happy. That's nice. Thank you, Josh. Thank you very much, buddy. I appreciate the help.
Not a problem.
And now what we got left in here? Anything we're going to move soon? Probably.
There's a bristlenose pleco. Forget what it is. He's got the white stripe on his back. Oh, he's over here now. He can go up to your front tank.
Okay. Well, we can move that. We'll do that on this video too. Look at the baby arapaima, and he's just the cutest. And then we got the other baby. How long we've had him now for what? 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2-3 weeks.
And he's growing. He is right here. Look at how big you are. He came in with cloudy eye. I don't know if you guys remember, but he was real bad cloudy eye when he came in. Now he's getting beefy looking. He's doing real good. Okay, well, Josh is getting ready to leave, but before he's leaving, he's cleaning the fronts of this with the novice. You want to show him what it is, Josh? The novice plastic polish. This works great with your acrylic tanks. We don't get supported by these guys. We don't get free product, nothing. I'm just saying it's a great product. It makes your tanks really nice, and you can feel a difference when you're done. It's nice and slippery and see-through, and it cleans acrylic great. So you got to use a little bit of elbow grease and buff it like a car wax, but it does do a great job. All right, Josh, we'll see you later, buddy.
See you, bud.
Okay, while we're doing all this stuff, Reaper decided to help out, and he's cleaning off the goldfish tank. And this is time consuming because these magnets on the thicker tanks, you have to move so slowly. And they don't really get it all. You have to go back over it and over it and over it again and again. Okay, so let's move back over here and see if we can get this azul bass out. He's still hiding. Actually, that's him right here. Reap, come get this. Keep an eye on that fish with the blue on him. Right there. I'm going to try and get him.
Good luck.
Right.
They've been trying all morning.
That's him, right?
Yeah. I think.
It better be him. I caught him. Reaper, that is not the azul. Reaper, I asked you if that was him.
Well, I said I didn't know.
Where's the blue one now?
Well, he's really blue, I guess.
Okay, the blue one, yes. Oh, you're killing me. I can't see him. He's still in the corner?
Still in the corner. Straight up. Oh. I don't know if he.
And that's not the blue one either, Reap. What are you doing to me?
So which one's blue?
The one with the blue fins. He's gone now. He's hid. Let me see that guy there. I can't even tell now. I can't see back. No, that's not him. He's right there under that rock. That's the Azul.
And why are you trying to remove him?
Because all these guys are out competing him for food, and he's the smallest, skinniest fish in here. So Josh wants to take him and put him in the 150 and then power feed him for a while, get him a little bigger, and try him back in here.
I see. Okay.
Well, we didn't get that.
Sorry.
Reed.
Oh, well. Stay fishy, my friends.
For you guys that stuck around, here's a little treat for you. This weekend, while Joey's here, I think we have enough vodka. Each one's a half gallon, Pinnacle whipped, and we have all the grape things. We're good to go. And then we have, open this one up, Reed. There's a fourth one and a fifth one, and then we have Hennessy. That's Skylar's. You don't peel none of that off. What? You don't peel none of that off. So now we have 5 in there. We should be good this weekend. Have fun, guys.